guys, I'm Nicole and today I'm making glow-in-the-dark slime. So for this slime, I'm going to be using clear glue, contact solution, and baking soda with some glow-in-the-dark pigment to make it glow. I'm going to go ahead and add some glue. And to check out other slime videos I've made, you can click on the video above. But I'm going to go ahead and add some contact solution. But not too much because I don't want to over-activate it. And some baking soda. So let's go ahead and mix it in. And if you like creative videos and slime, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I want to mix in the baking soda really well because it's sometimes chunky, so you want to dissolve it. And when you see that your slime is starting to activate, you can go ahead and start adding the pigment. And I will be using this teal pigment. I'm going to add the pigment before I fully activate the slime, because when you fully activate the slime, it's a little hard to mix the pigment in. And if you don't have glow-in-the-dark pigment, you can go ahead and click on the video above if you have glitter to make a glitter slime. And now that it's fully mixed in, I can go ahead and continue to activate it with some more contact solution. And I don't need to add more baking soda because I added enough baking soda the first time I added it. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some more contact solution and mix it. And I think I added enough contact solution, so I don't have to add anymore. And now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my hands, but play with it in the bowl because it's still sticky. I will add the ingredients I used in the description down below so you can get a better quality slime. And my slime is starting to come together, so I still need activators though. Now all it needs is to be mixed. Okay guys, so I got my slime to a really good consistency where it's not too sticky, but it's not too activated. So I'm going to go ahead and make a slime swirl and then show it to you guys. So for your slime to glow, you want to leave it by a light source, or if you have a phone, shine the light at it for like 1 or 2 minutes, and it should glow at night. And now I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it's glowing in the dark. So I'm going to turn off the light and y'all will be able to see how it looks when it glows in the dark. So as you can see, the slime is now glowing and it looks super cool, especially in the slime swirl. But let's go ahead and go back to the light. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my next video. Bye!